Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will see how to start and stop the OpenClaw Gateway. The command is OpenClaw. So this command is going to start the OpenClaw Gateway. It is starting the gateway. And you can see the OpenClaw is started here. So gateway is running here, and now I will show you how you can stop the gateway. Command is simple. Command is simple open claw gateway stop. So now the gateway is stopped, and you can see it is asking for the gateway. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.